Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2011 code? This code indicates an open circuit problem in the Intake Manifold Runner Control system on bank 2, which prevents the actuator from receiving proper electrical signals and controlling airflow correctly. P2011 stands for Intake Manifold Runner Control Circuit, open out bank 2. In simple terms, the ECU has detected a break or disconnection in the electrical circuit of the intake runner control system on the second cylinder bank. This means the runner flaps may stop functioning or remain in a fixed position, affecting engine efficiency. Common symptoms include check engine light on, poor engine response, rough idle, reduced power, and unstable acceleration. Fuel efficiency may also decrease due to improper air intake regulation. Now the most important part, component and sensor locations. The intake manifold runner actuator and position sensor for bank 2 are located on the intake manifold near the bank to cylinder head. The actuator controls the internal runner flaps, while the sensor sends position feedback to the ECU. The wiring harness connecting these components runs across the engine bay and connects directly to the ECU, where it is exposed to heat, oil, and vibration. For quick diagnosis, start by scanning live data using an OBD2 scanner and checking actuator response and runner position values. Then inspect the wiring harness for broken wires, disconnected plugs, or corrosion. Use a multimeter to test circuit continuity and voltage supplied to the actuator. If an open circuit is detected, repair the wiring or replace the faulty actuator assembly. Finally, clear the fault code and perform a proper road test to confirm normal intake runner operation. Remember, the most common causes of P2011 are broken wiring, loose connectors, or a faulty intake runner actuator on bank 2. Fixing the issue promptly will restore proper airflow balance, improve engine performance, and prevent further drivability issues.